Our brains are not static, they are not set in stone. Our brains are constantly changing, adapting and evolving. This remarkable ability of the brain to change itself is called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity means that every time we learn something new, have a new experience, or even think a new thought, our brain physically changes. It's like our brain is a muscle that gets stronger with exercise. The more we use it, the more adaptable and flexible it becomes. For centuries, scientists believed that the brain was fixed after childhood, but now we know that this is not true. Neuroplasticity occurs throughout our lives, from infancy to old age. This means that we have the power to change our brains for the better, no matter how old we are. The discovery of neuroplasticity has revolutionized our understanding of the brain. It has opened up exciting new possibilities for treating brain injuries, improving mental health, and enhancing cognitive function. Think of a child learning to walk. At first, it takes a lot of effort and concentration. They stumble, they fall, but they keep trying. With each attempt, their brain is forming new connections, strengthening existing ones. As they practice, walking becomes easier. Soon, they are running and jumping without even thinking about it. This is neuroplasticity in action. The child's brain has changed in response to experience. The same process happens when we learn anything new. A language, a musical instrument, or a new sport. With practice and repetition, our brains adapt and change, making it easier for us to perform these new skills. Imagine the brain as a vast network of roads and highways. These roads represent the connections between our brain cells, called neurons. Every time we learn something new, it's like building a new road in our brain. The more we travel down that road, the stronger and wider it becomes. This makes it easier for information to travel along that pathway, which is why practice makes perfect. But neuroplasticity is not just about building new roads, it's also about rerouting traffic. If one road is blocked, our brains can find alternative routes to get to the destination. This is how people can recover from stroke or brain injury. After a stroke, for example, some parts of the brain may be damaged. This can lead to disabilities such as difficulty speaking or moving. However, the brain is incredibly resilient. Through neuroplasticity, healthy areas of the brain can compensate for the damaged areas. It's like creating detours around a road closure. By forming new connections and strengthening existing ones, the brain can regain lost function. This process of recovery takes time and effort, but it is a testament to the incredible plasticity of the human brain. People who were once told they would never walk or talk again have made remarkable recoveries thanks to neuroplasticity. Section 5. Rewiring the mind, neuroplasticity and mental health. Neuroplasticity is also important for mental health. Negative thoughts and behaviors can create deeply ingrained neural pathways, much like a well-worn path in the woods. These pathways can make it difficult to break free from negative patterns of thinking and behaving. But the good news is that we can use neuroplasticity to rewire our brains for greater well-being. Through therapy, mindfulness, and other practices, we can weaken these negative pathways and create new, healthier ones. By focusing on positive thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, we can literally change our brains for the better. Section 6. Boosting your brain power, tips for enhanced plasticity. So how can we harness the power of neuroplasticity in our own lives? There are many simple yet effective things we can do to enhance our brain's ability to change and adapt. First, learn something new. Challenge your brain by learning a new language, taking up a musical instrument, or trying a new hobby. Second, exercise regularly. Physical exercise is not just good for your body, it's also great for your brain. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new brain cells. Third, get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for neuroplasticity. During sleep, our brains consolidate memories and make new connections. Section 7. The power of belief. Your mindset matters. Just as importantly, believe in your brain's ability to change. A positive and optimistic mindset can actually enhance neuroplasticity. When you believe that you can learn and grow, your brain is more likely to make the necessary changes. On the other hand, a negative or fixed mindset can limit your brain's potential. When you doubt your abilities, you send signals to your brain that change is not possible. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that your abilities are not fixed but can be developed through effort and learning. Section 8. The future of neuroplasticity. New frontiers in brain science. The field of neuroplasticity is rapidly evolving, and scientists are constantly making new discoveries about the brain's remarkable ability to change. Researchers are exploring cutting-edge techniques such as brain stimulation and neurofeedback to enhance neuroplasticity and treat a wide range of neurological and psychiatric disorders. As our understanding of neuroplasticity deepens, we can expect to see even more innovative treatments and therapies that harness the brain's innate capacity for healing and growth. Section 9. The limitless brain, embracing a future of growth. Neuroplasticity is a beacon of hope, reminding us that our brains are not fixed, but rather they are dynamic, adaptable, and capable of extraordinary change. By embracing the principles of neuroplasticity, we can unlock our brain's full potential and live richer, more fulfilling lives. The journey of lifelong learning, personal growth, and self-discovery is an ongoing testament to the incredible plasticity of the human brain.